With an avalanche of handguns making waves in 2024, it's time to check your arsenal for any big hits you may have missed. You may think you know all the handguns that have been big hits this year, but if you check again, you might find some of them you missed. Remember, there are so many hidden gems in the firearm market. It's hard not to miss, and that's why we're here. Our expert team has compiled a list of 5 must-have handguns for 2024 that you can't miss. So in this video, we're gonna unveil some of the best handguns in the firearm market, so you better stay glued to your screen so you don't miss even a bit. As always, you'll love this video. If you've been searching for a really good handgun to buy right now, this video will also provide you with valuable insight. On the side, we also have an amazing fun fact on the firearm market to share with you. It only gets more amazing each time you hear it. Alright, let's get started. Let's talk about 2 of the best Glock pistols and even the best ones on the market. Both handguns have been recently updated to Gen 5, offering enhanced ergonomics, accuracy, and versatility for concealed carry enthusiasts. The G29 and 10mm auto provides a powerful option for self-defense, while the G30 and 45 auto promises exceptional accuracy and power. When deciding between the G29 and G30, it's essential to consider your personal preferences such as caliber, weight, and intended use. Some users may find the G30 slightly lighter weight and compatibility with existing accessories more appealing, while others may prefer the G29's potent 10mm cartridge. But you can rest assured that whichever you choose to have, you're getting one of the best pistols on the planet. Ultimately, the Glock G29 and G30 offer reliable and powerful options for concealed carry in 2024. The choice ultimately comes down to your individual needs and preferences. As for their prices, these 2 pistols have almost the same prices with just a couple of dollars different. With $700, you can get any of them you choose to. I don't know about you, but I think no matter the handgun I have in my arsenal right now, this pistol is a must-have in my collection, and that's not even debatable. Talking about self-defense, everyday carry, and concealed carry, this is arguably the best pistol you can find on the market to get the job done. Its compact design is one of the main reasons it's one of the most sought-after pistols on the firearm market and a go-to choice for law enforcement agents. This 9mm pistol is simply just too good. Boasting a 17 plus 1 round capacity, the P365 X Macro Tac Ops packs a full-size punch in a slim, iconic profile. The polymer frame includes an integrated Picatinny-style accessory rail and a beaver tail for enhanced hand safety and better control. Also, the pistol comes equipped with an all-new enhanced light catch lever and a metal flare detachable magwell, making reloads a breeze. This iconic pistol goes for around $800 depending on the retailer or any ongoing promotions. If you're well into hunting, then the Ruger Super Redhawk 22 Hornet will surely mesmerize you. This powerful revolver, which is also very accurate, isn't just for the hunting business alone. Because of its versatility, it's used for a wide range of shooting needs, and its performance is purely exceptional, which places it as one of the best revolvers out there on the market. The inclusion of a high-vis green front sight and adjustable rear sight make target acquisition a breeze. At the same time, the revolver's overall length of 15 inches ensures a steady and comfortable shooting experience. Whether you're hunting small game or varmints, the Ruger Super Redhawk 22 Hornet is a must-have handgun for any serious hunter in 2024. Its combination of power, accuracy, and ease of use make it an ideal choice for those seeking the ultimate hunting revolver experience. It's a premium revolver, so it's a bit more expensive than some handguns on this list, but its quality cannot be put into question, so the price is well deserved. The Ruger Super Redhawk 22 Hornet costs around $1,500 to get off the shelf, but it's one of the best revolvers in its own right. Fun fact, did you know that if you lined up all the Glock, Sauer, Kimber, and Ruger handguns owned by Americans, they would stretch approximately 8,000 miles. That's enough to span the United States from coast to coast nearly 3 times. Now that's a testament to the popularity and trust in these must-have handguns for 2024. Guess what? The Rock Island Armory RIA 5.0 is the first Rock Island Armory pistol to be manufactured in the United States, and it was designed and built in Cedar City, Utah. This pistol not only showcases its strength and performance and quality, but also has a rich history as it was well received in the United States as soon as it hit the firearm market. The Rock Island Armory RIA 5.0 has a load of advanced features and showcases incredible craftsmanship that places it side by side with the best high-end handguns on the market. This pistol is a true functionary with performance and power to match its history and elegant design. It comes battle-ready with a 17-round magazine, making it a striker-fired handgun with very good accuracy. One of the standout features of the RIA 5.0 is its ergonomic textured grip, which ensures a comfortable and secure hold. This pistol is more expensive as it costs around $1,000 to take off the market. When you talk about a pistol having outrageous style and impressive design, the Tisas PX57 fits that exact description. A glance at this pistol will leave you stunned. It's a pistol that looks fit to appear in some of those James Bond movies we watch. Before you think that it's all about beauty when it comes to this pistol, the Tisas PX57 commands such power that it's the envy of other handguns on the market. It boasts a big 20+1 capacity, which is enough capacity for whatever purpose this pistol is meant for. This striker-fired semi-automatic pistol also features a 4.8-inch steel barrel with a durable black finish that ensures both accuracy and reliability. The fiber optic front sight and adjustable rear sight make target acquisition quick and effortless, while the ambidextrous controls make it suitable for both right and left-handed shooters. With this pistol, you don't even need to worry about what happens next, as it's capable of handling any situation perfectly. That's not even all. When it comes to pricing, this pistol is highly affordable with a price tag of just $300. Imagine getting a one-of-a-kind pistol for just $300. That's a steal, my friend. Still talking about handguns you can't afford to miss, one of them is a powerful revolver that just has to make this list. It would be criminal if it doesn't. That's the Kimber K6s DASA. The Kimber K6s DASA is a beautifully crafted revolver known for its reliability and precision. It features a double-action, single-action trigger that allows you to switch between trigger styles depending on your preference. The K6s DASA boasts a sleek design and impressive accuracy, making it a popular choice for self-defense and competitive shooting. Also, its stainless steel construction ensures durability and corrosion resistance, making it an ideal firearm for lovers of the outdoors. It's a revolver that's a serious deal, a must-consider for anyone looking for a revolver, and not just any revolver, but a powerful, high-performing, and versatile one. This revolver costs around $900 on the firearm market. Handguns offer an impressive array of options to suit every need and preference. As we've explored today, standout models from Glock, Sauer, Kimber, and Ruger lead the pack in reliability, accuracy, and innovation. Now, it's your turn to take action. Visit your local firearms retailer and get hands-on experience with these exceptional handguns. Remember, owning a firearm is a significant responsibility, so always practice proper safety and handling techniques. If you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more amazing and informative videos like this one. Your friends would also need this, so remember to share it with them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.